Hi, Willard teachers. A number of you have asked how to print grids like this with your roster on it, like you did in PowerSchool. So I'm here to show you how to do that in Illuminate. After you've signed in, click on View Gradebooks. Once you're inside of your gradebook, pick the class that you want to print. If you want to print them all, that's fine, just pick one. So I'm picking my first class. Once you're inside a gradebook, you'll see this report option. Now, this gets a little tricky because there's also this reports option here. That's not what we want. We want gradebook reports as opposed to general student reports. I know, gradebook reports. So in this lower tier, click on those reports, and then you'll see blank score sheet. That is what you want. Open up blank score sheet, and you have numerous options. Remember how I said you could print multiple periods at once? There are your choices there. You can decide what fields you want. For example, if you like to have their ID numbers handy to help them sign in, you could do it just by first name. You can include their birth date. You can include their gender in case you get confused. Whatever information you want. You can also include their current points available or their percentage or their grade if you find that handy as well. You can have it organized by first name, by last name, whatever sorting system you like. If you have a multi-grade class, you might want to have your 7th graders and then your 8th graders linked together. You can also decide how many columns you want. So do you want a lot of little narrow spaces or a few big chunks? That's up to you. Just be aware that if you have like 30, that it will squish everything over here and all the information will be difficult. So if you have like columns printing over each other, change that number from 10 to a lower number, basically. You can decide if you want it portrait style, up and down, or I like landscape style, but then again, I have small classes. And then you will have it print as a PDF. If you want to download it as an Excel file, you can't do that on a Chromebook, but on any program that's running Excel, you could do that. And then you can further manipulate it if you like to play with your margins, add different columns, add additional information. And then you have a choice. If you hit download and save preferences, all those things that you just selected and clicked will be saved for the next time that you come up, so that you won't have to go through and make all those changes again. So it can save your preferences, or if you're like, oh, for today I want it to be this way, but next time I want something different, you can just hit download. Once you hit that download button, it will save to your Chromebook. Aha, there, it's downloading right there. And then you'll be able to open it up. And here is what that document looks like. And you can just click on the print button and it will print for you. You could print a whole bunch at once if you prefer.